Hi guys, this week we're going to try something a little bit different. I want you guys to follow along with this video, and what we will do is this Edpuzzle video is going to ask you questions as we go along. So if you do not have your calculator, go ahead and grab one. If you need to use your phone, that's fine, but let's go ahead and work these 8 problems together. All right, we're going to work on some distribution. If we remember, distribution means multiplying. So if you remember, what we need to do is draw our arrows. So if I draw 2 arrows right there, the first thing I needed to do is 3 times 4k. So 3 times 4k is going to give me 12k. And then 3 times negative 3 is going to give me negative 9. All right. What is going to be my first step on this equation? That's right. I need to add 9 to both sides. I need to bring down my 12k. And if I add 87 plus 9 in my calculator, that will give me 96. What is my next step in this equation? Yep, that's right. We want to divide by 12 on both sides. And that brings me to k equals 8. All right, good job. Let's try another one. This time I'm going to have you do a few more steps. All right, the first thing we need to do is go 6 times m is 6m. Now I need to multiply 6 times negative 6. It's going to be negative 36. I'm going to bring down my 84 and draw my line. What should I do first to this equation? That's right. We should add 36. And if I bring down my 6m, I put in the calculator, negative 84 plus 36, that equals negative 48. And what is the next step in this equation? If I divide by 6 on both sides, m equals negative 8. All right, good job. Next thing I want to do here is go to number 3. So first thing I need to do is draw my arrows from negative 8 to 4. So what is negative 8 times 4? It's negative 32. And then negative 8 times positive 8v is going to give me, it's not going to give me a positive, Miss Miller. It's going to give me negative 64b. And then I'm going to bring down my 416. All right. What is my first step here? Do I need to move my negative 32 or my negative 64b? That's right. We're going to add 32 to both sides. Bring down your negative 64b. This equals 448. And then what should I do next? Divide by negative 64, and my b equals 7. my v equals -7. All right, let's take a look at the next one. First, I need to multiply 7 times 6. And then I need to multiply 7 times the negative r. What number is in front of my r that I cannot see? That's right, there's a 1 there. So 7 times -1 is -7r equals 98. Now remember, we always want to move our number first. So what do I need to move first? That's right, we're going to move our 42. I need to do that to both sides. Crosses this out. I'm going to bring down my -7r. Now I need to subtract my 98 minus 42, which is 56. And what do we need to do next? That's right, we need to divide by -7. And r will equal -8. All right, I'm going to get you started on these last 4, and then I'm going to see if you can solve these on your own. First thing we want to do is multiply -7 times 1, and we multiply -7 times 4, which is -28p equals -119. I'm going to give you a minute to solve the equation. First, we want to draw our line. And then we want to add 7 to both sides. That will cross that out. Bring down our -28p. We need to put our -119 and add our 7. Gives me -112. Then we needed to divide both sides by -28. And that means my p equals 4. Good job, guys. Hope you guys all got that one correct. All right, let's take a look at this one. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times -7x is -14x equals 118. All right, see if you can solve this one from here. All right, to check your work, we're going to subtract 6 from both sides. We're going to bring down our -14x. My calculator, I'll put 118 minus 6. That gives me 112. And then I need to divide both sides. Remember, we need to divorce the -14 and the x. And that gives us 112 divided by -14 is a -8. All right, I'm going to draw some arrows for you here. See if you can solve this one on your own. All right, let's see if you got it right. 6p minus 6 times 7 is 42 equals a -84. I want to add 42 to both sides. I want to bring down my 6p. See if I can put that in the calculator correctly. It's be a -42. Divide both sides by 6. And p equals -7. All right, this last one, let's draw our arrows. And you guys see if you can solve the rest. So 2 times 1 will be 2 plus 12b. Bring down our 98. Remember, we want to subtract our number first, not our variable. We want to bring down our 12b. And then we want to divide 96 divided by 12. So our b equals 8. Hopefully this assignment was a little easier for you guys to understand with the Edpuzzle, and give me some feedback. Leave a comment whether or not you liked this assignment or if you liked the No Remath site better. All right, I miss you guys. Hope you all have a great day.